Hi, in this section, let's learn the modify tools. The tools such as move, copy, rotate and so on. We are going to apply these tools on walls, furniture and so on. Since I taught you the basics of walls, I'm going to explain with the walls. First of all, I'll create a simple sketch here. Okay, in this lecture, let's learn the move tool. There are two ways to perform this move tool. The first method, I can go to modify, and here in the modify panel, we can find the move tool. I'll select the move tool. Now, if you check here in the tool, within the bracket, the keyboard shortcut for the move tool is given as MV. I'll select the move tool, and what to do next? The next step is given in the left bottom corner of the taskbar. It says click to select. I want to select the element to move. I want to move this particular wall. I'll select this wall. That's it. My selection is over and I'll hit enter. Now if you read, it says click to enter move start point, where you want to start the point. I'll select the base point somewhere here. And I want to place where I want to move. I'll place somewhere here. That's it. I moved the wall. That is method number one. I'll press Ctrl Z to undo. And the second method is, without going through the modify tab, I can directly select the wall. If I want to move this wall, I can select the wall. Once you select the wall, I get the ribbon. There I can select the move tool. This is the method I recommend. Now here, I don't want to hit enter. Directly I can pick the base point and I can move in this direction. Now if you want to move at particular distance, I can enter the distance. For example, 10 feet, I'll say 10 feet, enter, it will be moved at 10 feet distance. I'll undo. Now I'll try to move again. I'll select the object and I'll say move. Now this time I'll move diagonally. Now I cannot move diagonally, it is moving only in the horizontal direction and vertical direction only. It is because of the option given in the options bar. The constraint is checked here. If the constraint is unchecked, I'll be able to move diagonally. Now if I move diagonally and if I click here, see, my wall is not only moving, it is maintaining its join condition as well. Now I don't want to maintain the join condition, I just want to move the wall. In that case, what to do? I'll undo. Again, I'll select the wall and select the move tool. In that case, in the options bar, I can select disjoin here. I'll select the endpoint and I'll move here. Now it has moved without maintaining the join condition because in the options bar, I selected the disjoin option. Now again, I select the move tool. This time, if you apply constraint, you'll be able to move only in the horizontal direction and vertical direction, not on diagonally. Now let's try the same thing with the keyboard shortcut. I select the wall and say MV. Now I can move along the horizontal and vertical only. If you want to move along the diagonal, you can uncheck this constraint option, then you'll be able to move diagonally. Okay, that's all about the move tool. Let's continue to the next lecture.